In part 1, we understood what is VPC, public subnet, internet gateway, and route tables. Now, let's understand how AWS builds secure architecture using private subnet, NAT gateway, security group, and NACL. The problem with the private subnet. Private subnet resources are hidden from the internet. That's good for security, but there is a problem. What if private servers need software updates? What if they need to install packages from the internet? So AWS solves this using NAT gateway. NAT gateway is known as Network Address Translation Gateway. Allows private servers to access the internet outbound, but still internet users still cannot directly access the private server. So using NAT gateway, these servers can use the internet to download and install the packages. This keeps the server secure. Next comes the security group. Security group acts like a firewall for the instances. It controls who can enter and leave the server. Then there is a NACL known as Network Access Control List. So this NACL works at the subnet level. Security group protects only the instances, but the NACL protects the entire subnet. So the full architecture flow of the VPC. This is how real companies host applications securely on AWS. Front-end servers stay public and the backend servers and the database stays private inside the private subnet. And coming to the cost, most AWS VPC and its core components are completely free. VPC, Subnet, Route Table, Internet Gateway, Security Group, Network ACL, Elastic Network Interface are free. But the real charge for is NAT Gateway, which is charged per hour and per GB of data processed. AWS includes the network data transfer cost and the running EC2 instances and public IPs cost. Now you understand the complete foundation of the AWS networking. Next in the series, we will build a three-tier AWS architecture step by step. So in that series, we will build a public subnet which will have an application load balancer and a private subnet where our EC2 application will be hosted, and on the private subnet we will host our databases either in RDS or in the EC2, and how the security group flows and how route tables are handled. So we will make a complete series. Subscribe to techarivu and continue learning AWS the simplest way.